because you believe that we Jamaicans are dunce. Now, every local platform you get, you're speaking about economy. Economy, 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 economy. But yet still, the small man with up on the street is suffering. Light bill is sky high. Cost of living is sky high. But yet still, you come and talk about economy, economy, economy. Morant B sent you a message yesterday. And a very serious one. So that is coming from the east. You hear that? And then the west, the east-west is also sending you a message. Which is the course there. I tell you, say, we want change. It no matter how much money you guys come with in the next election, it doesn't matter. You are going to get voted out. Guaranteed. And I've been preaching that. And many have been preaching that. So there's nothing you can do, you and your team, this money issue out thing to voters, trying to bribe voters. Good night, Carmen. Yeah? Trying to bribe voters, none void. That's why I have to come live tonight, because this is... Good night, Janet. I cannot come to terms to know that this man is literally talking about economy when people are suffering. Whatever plan you make, you and your big neck friend them, whatever plan you make, you guys, this lower class of Jamaica, the lower class, Jamaicans are suffering. Hardship is through the roof. But yet still you come and preach and talk about economy, 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 economy. Brother, we're sick and tired of hearing you speak about economy. We don't want to hear that. We don't want to hear that. You know what we want to hear? We want to hear you state when you will be stepping down. That's what we want to hear.